Ang DoorShop po is an e-commerce platform that connect local vendors and tourists. It's like Shopee and Lazada, but our main focus is to promote local products.
Ng Mindoro.
Yes, like pasalubong, delicacies, handicrafts, yung mga handicrafts na lalo na yung gawa ng ating mga mangyans, ganon. And yung unique siguro sa amin is yung platform namin is merong real-time tracker ng delivery. So matatrack mo yung orders mo in real time. So hindi kagaya nung sa malalaking e-commerce is wala pa silang ganon. And also, we support payment method for USDT. USDT po is a cryptocurrency.
Crypto?
Yes.
Stablecoin?
Yes po, stablecoin USDT. Wala silang presence online. Bali, yung opportunity ng revenue ay kulang. Kung hindi sila na-market talaga. Kung meron namang mga big platform like Shopee at Lazada. Yung problema, hindi naman nila kayang maggawa ng shop kasi sobrang dami ng mga products sa kumbaga pag naggawa sila ng shop doon ay hindi magiging visible talaga yung products nila.